Alright, changing rear wheel cylinders on a Honda Fit GD1. Alright, that's the old one. With the new one here, we changed the right side already. Go and change the left side. Alright, so we jack it up, have it on jack stands. Go and take off the wheels. Alright, so the wheel out, 4 lug nuts out. Nice it there. Now to take off the hub. Alright, the handbrakes drop already. Right, this hub binding a little bit, so we have to go in the back. Alright, this rubber here, take out the rubber. Alright, inside of that, there we had the adjuster drop the brake shoes from binding on the hub to make it come out easier. Alright, so the hub off. Alright, so you'll see the dust from the brake shoes. The brake shoes looking good. Alright, front one a little more worn. Reason for changing the wheel cylinders, they leaking. I changed the seals, but inside pitted, so I was waiting to get the new ones from Japan. Wasn't getting them down here. Alright, there's the part number here, genuine Honda. Alright, we have to take out the springs. It have a pliers for it, but I find that using this pliers, I just get it out. We back at it again there. Alright, still getting some pressure to grip it. Right, so we get off one spring, that's the top spring. Have a spring at the bottom. Right, so we grip it with the pliers and using the hub as a fulcrum to prise. Right, and get the 2 springs, and then we just had to take out the locks. Alright, so one lock out. Alright, one side come out. Take out the adjuster for the handbrakes. Alright, then one more spring here for the handbrakes adjuster. Alright, but they're coming all the same. I'm going and pause so I can use my both hands. Alright, so we get out the shoes and them. I'm leaving this one here because it's only wheel cylinder we're changing. So the brakes line here is a 10. Alright, so we slacken the brakes line with the 10. Alright, and then I will use this cap to plug the line, and then take out it at 210, one here, take out them 2. Right, but I want to take out this thing quick before too much of the fluid leak out. So I pause it. Alright, so brakes line out. Try to cap it with this thing here. Alright, there's the rubber from the nipple, and then we got the 210s. Right, there's 110. Right now, this service taking place by a customer. Right, there's a mobile service. Right, so right, well, I need my both hands, but basically you'll see the cylinder shaking already. I just have one more 10 to take out. Right? Alright, so hold one out. Alright, go and open the pack for the new one. Take some brakes clean. Clean out all that muck, and you see this wheel here for the ABS sensor. I will clean that wheel because you see a dirt, so that could help, not help, but that could cause the ABS to get some bad readings. Alright, so I'm spraying it out with this brakes cleaner here, and then we're going to resume the recording. Alright, so I spray it out with the brakes cleaner. So you see the wheel cleaner. Alright, time to assemble the new to put in the new wheel cylinder. Alright, there's the new wheel cylinder. It's a 5/8. Alright, there's the left side. So it's fitting in right there. Right, and then I'll take out the plug in the back. So I'll just catch the 210s to hold it. I wouldn't screw it up tight, as at least some place so the brakes line could get in. Alright, so I'll catch these 210s in the back there and then screw up this there. Right, so cylinder in, the brakes line connected. Alright, tighten up them 210, slacken the bleed nipple, let it bleed, and then got to bleed the brakes, hook back up everything. Alright, so just tighten up these 210s here. Finish tightening it up with the spanner. Alright, finish tightening up the line with the spanner. This bleed nipple is at 8. And then we'll mount back up everything. Alright, so wheel cylinder up, brake shoes in. Alright, the lock pin in. Alright, go in and put in the adjuster and put back in the springs. Right, rain coming, so that is why I can't record too much while I'm doing, because I'm trying to beat the rain. Right, so the whole thing assembled, right? Wheel cylinder, springs, adjuster, lock, bottom spring. Right, so it's just put back up the hub now and bleed the brakes. Alright, so we back up. The inside, everything tighten up, just to bleed now. Right, this one has ABS, so we have to use the scan tool to help with the bleeding.